Tired of switching tabs to create calendar events from emails? Create them directly in Gmail in under 30 seconds. I'll show you the exact steps to turn any email into a calendar event without leaving your inbox. Start by navigating to your Gmail homepage. Go ahead and click on Compose at the top left sidebar to open a new email. Now, click the More icon, those 3 vertical dots, in the top right corner of the email. Then hover your mouse over Set up a time to meet. And finally, click on Create an event. Type your event title in the field provided. Here, you can add guests and other event details as needed. Once that's done, click on Save. If you invited guests, choose whether to send invitation emails. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.